Watching ants up close is pretty cool and can teach you a lot about these tiny creatures. We are bighomeprojects.com, your go-to website directory for trusted contractors and job opportunities, and here are how to create a safe and effective ant habitat for observation. Number 1. Choose the right container. Pick something clear like a glass mason jar or plastic box with a ventilated lid so you can see your ants without them escaping. Make sure it's big enough for your colony to grow, but not so big it's hard to manage, and smooth sides help keep ants inside. Number 2. Prepare the substrate layers. Start with heat-treated sand or fine gravel for drainage and mold prevention. Then add moist potting soil that's damp but not soaked so ants can dig tunnels. A thin layer of leaf litter on top gives them food and feels like home. Some folks even mix crushed eggshells into the soil for extra calcium. Number 3. Add nesting materials. Throw in small rocks, hollow twigs, or cardboard tubes to give ants natural hiding spots and places to raise their young. Hollow bamboo sticks work great, and swapping these materials now and then keeps the ants exploring and active. Number 4. Create varied terrain. Make little hills, valleys, or tunnels inside the habitat to encourage natural digging and help ants control temperature and moisture. Using compacted soil or gravel for hills and small water spots in low areas mimics their outdoor world better. Number 5. Maintain proper ventilation. Good airflow stops mold and balances humidity, which your ants need to stay healthy. Use mesh lids or perforated covers with tiny holes to keep ants in but air moving. Putting the habitat near indirect sunlight helps humidity cycles without overheating. Number 6. Watering and hydration. Check moisture every 2 to 5 days depending on your setup. Use damp sponges or cotton balls inside to give water safely without drowning risks, and have a second water source in the feeding area so ants stay hydrated all around. Number 7. Set up an outworld for feeding. Connect a small feeding zone with a tube so you can offer fresh food like fruits or sugar water without opening the main habitat. This reduces escapes and lets you watch ants forage safely and easily. If you want help building or customizing your ant habitat, visit bighomeprojects.com to find local contractors who can craft custom containers, ventilation systems, or feeding setups just right for you.